Welcome back. Today I was going to do a review on two supplements. About a year ago, a year and a half ago, my hip started to hurt, and I started doing some research and trying to figure out what I could do to avoid surgeries and doctors and all that kind of stuff. So the first supplement that I found, like I mentioned, so my hip started to hurt first just as I was walking. I've been walking every day, probably 3 to 4 miles for over probably 15 years. So it's been a long time. Before that, I played high school sports, football, I ran track, all that kind of stuff. And I'm almost 39 now. So probably over the years, my cartilage has seen some wear and tear and all that kind of stuff. So, started to do some research after my injury. My hip started to hurt, and then I also had a knee injury. My knee started to hurt after I fell once going down my stairs shortly after I hurt my hip. So after doing a little research and searching around of what could possibly help, the first supplement that I found that I've been taking for about a year is actually this supplement right here. It's called Collagen by U3. And after research and study on collagen, it's really high in the amino acids called glycine and proline. And so every protein has all these amino acids, but all the proteins have different amounts of the amino acid. So what are you doing? You're messing me up. So all the amino acids have different kinds of proteins. So this one is the highest in the glycine and the proline that I was able to find, and based off of lots of other people's experience and recommendation, this also provided them relief. So like I mentioned, I've been taking it for about a year and a half. It's provided me great relief. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this if you have any knee pain, hip pain, shoulder pain, back pain, any kind of pains with joints or connective tissues. So give that a try. And then the second supplement that I found, this one, it's only been about 2 months. It's called Move Free. And this one is made out of shellfish, shrimp, crab, lobster, and crayfish. And then the main ingredient in this one is glucosamine. So glucosamine is the main ingredient in that one, made from the shellfish. And based off of my research and study of the Move Free, there was several amazing, hundreds if not thousands of good reviews. And one specific review that stands out to me is a review by somebody who, they were around 30 years old. They went to the doctor, and with the x-rays and being able to image the damage done to the joint in the cartilage in the hip, they were supposedly ready for a total hip replacement. And the doctor said, well, because you're so young, why don't you try taking this Move Free supplement, or supplement with the glucosamine. So the person started to take that supplement, and it's been 30 years now. So the person's now 50 years old, and they still haven't had to do the hip replacement. And then there was several other reviews with knee replacements, possibly even shoulder replacements. So give this a try, if you're in that kind of a situation with that kind of pain, and leave your comments below. Let me know what your experience is. But after 2 months of taking this, it's totally changed the amount of pain and discomfort on a scale of 1 to 10, as far as 1, the highest amount of pain, or the lowest amount of pain, 10, the highest amount of pain. my pain is very low down at the 1. So, probably was more in the 7, 8, 9 area for over a year. And with this, it's totally gone away. It took probably about 4 days before I noticed anything. And then by the time 2 weeks rolled around, it was pretty much down to the pain level, which it is now. So give it a try and let me know what your experience is. Leave me comments below. Thanks for watching the video. Like if you like this, and if you have any more recommendations on what you'd like to hear, hit the bell button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.